Hello and welcome to the BS Academy channel. Well, in the previous videos, I have fully explained about the 6 reversal patterns, that is the hammer, inverted hammer, hanging man, shooting star, mother candle, and Marubozu candle patterns. And in this video, I want to talk about the 7th reversal pattern, the spinning top. This pattern looks like this and can be seen in both green and red colors in the chart. This is a candlestick with a weak and small body and a relatively long upper and lower shadow where both shadows are the same size. And here you can see both colors. Well, now I want to give you an example. Here we consider a downtrend. At the end of the downtrend, this candle is made. As you can see here, like in the previous videos, I drew this candle in white color because its color has no effect on its work. That is, it can be a green candle or a red candle, it doesn't matter. But if at the end of the downtrend, a green candle will be made, it has more credibility, just like the shooting star, hanging man, hammer, and inverted hammer. This candle also causes a trend reverse, so it is made at the end of a downtrend and changes the trend to an uptrend. Or at the end of a bullish trend is made, of course the color does not matter, and it works whether it is green or red, and it changes the trend from bullish to bearish, so this is a spinning top pattern. Its functionality is exactly like the hammer and shooting star and other patterns that I explained in the previous videos, but its appearance is different. So it means that the upper and lower shadows are the same size and it has a small body. The next pattern that I want to explain is a very important pattern. This pattern has several different types and its name is doji. In fact, doji is a type of candle whose starting and ending prices are the same. That is, it opens at the same price and closes at the same price. Look here, this candle has no body. It means that it is seen as a short line. So it means that the candle opened at this price and closed at this price. In fact, this candle opened here, and in that period of time, the highest price it reached was here. So it is the high, and this was the lowest price reached, which means it will be here, low. But this candle closed again at the same price it opened. So this candle is called a doji, which has different types. And I will show you one by one and explain it now. This type of doji is called cross doji. And there is another type that does not have a high shadow. That is, the opening and closing point of the candle is in the same price and only has a lower shadow, which is called dragonfly doji. But there is also the opposite type of this doji. It means a candle that does not have a lower shadow and only has an upper shadow, which is called gravestone doji. The next type is exactly the same as the cross doji, but the size of the shadows of the candle is a little longer. That is, it has longer shadows than the cross doji. And this candle is called the long-legged doji. I must say that the performance of all these dojis is similar, but they look different. It is even possible here that the upper shadow is shorter and the lower shadow is longer, or on the contrary, the lower shadow is shorter and the upper shadow is longer, but there is no difference in their performance. Well, the last type that exists is called the 4-price doji. That is, the candle of this price is opened here, it is closed here, the highest price is here, and the lowest price is here. This is called 4-price doji. And anyway, if you see any of these types in the chart, they are all signs of trend reversal. That is, if they are at the end of an upward or downward trend, they will change the trend. But if these dojis are in the middle of the trend, they are a sign of the continuation of the trend. So you should be very careful that if these dojis are placed in the middle of the trend, they will cause the trend to continue, and only if they are placed at the end of the trend, they will cause the trend to reverse. Well, I hope this video is useful for you, and wait for the next video.